How to download Oculus app on iPhone. Hi everyone, this is Suzanne from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, open App Store on your iPhone. Then you can search for Oculus application, or you can even search for MetaQuest. So it's the same name for the application we are about to download. For now, I've just searched for Oculus Mobile. Now tap on MetaQuest here. Then just tap on Get. Wait for a while. Now just tap on Install and wait for the application to download. Now tap on Open. Okay. Then tap on Allow. And you can see that you have successfully downloaded Oculus app, which is MetaQuest application on your iPhone. So now you can log in using your Facebook, Instagram, or email, or you can even connect to your organization by following these steps. So that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful and informative. At last, don't forget to like and subscribe.